As AI-generated content becomes increasingly prevalent in our daily lives, it's becoming more challenging to distinguish between fact and fiction. In 2026, AI hallucinations are a growing concern, and it's essential for professionals to learn how to fact-check AI responses to avoid spreading misinformation. AI hallucinations occur when AI models produce responses that are entirely made up or not based on reality. This can be particularly problematic in industries like healthcare, finance, and journalism, where accuracy is paramount. To combat this issue, we'll explore a step-by-step process for fact-checking AI responses. Step 1. Evaluate the source. Before accepting an AI response, it's crucial to evaluate the source of the information. Look for credible sources that are transparent about their methods and data. For example, a reputable healthcare organization might use an AI-powered chatbot to answer patient questions, but it's essential to verify